Yeah, today the video is going to be about a shootout between my three chainsaws. Which one does the best overall job, time-wise, ease of use, and cutting down three similar sized trees. It might be a difference in a half-inch or so, but that's not really going to make that much of a difference in diameter for as far as cutting speed. But top, some of them might be 2 or 3 feet difference, but that won't make a whole lot of difference because they'll be cut to about the same log length anyway. The combatants are the 26cc TimberPro, the generic 45cc Chinese chainsaw, and the 88cc Husqvarna 390xp. Got an 8-inch bar, 8-inch bar, 8-inch bar, yeah, duh. 10-inch bar on the TimberPro, maybe 8-inch cut. 18-inch bar on the Chinese saw, and 24-inch on the Husqvarna. I know which one handles overall the best compromise of them all, but we'll see how they actually do when compared side by side in speed tests. winner of the shootout for overall handling is the 45cc Chinese chainsaw. The 50cc chainsaws from Steel or Husqvarna, Echo, that they'll be better, maybe better quality, but much higher price. A Chinese saw is like $110 or so. The Husqvarna is going to be around $1,200 new. That little TimberPro is about $200. And overall ease of use, that 45cc one is the best one for the job. The Husqvarna would have been a lot better, but I think that 24-inch bar really handicaps it. That little TimberPro just, I don't know what it was, that performed a lot better in previous usage. Maybe it's because the rakers weren't taken down when the chain got sharpened, so that might have played a big difference. It did fine in bucking, but when it did the felling match, it just wasn't very good. So my weapon of choice in the woods is 45 to 50cc chainsaw class. Get one of those if you're doing the job with the 18 or 20-inch bar. That 45cc will do a 20-inch bar if you need a little bit longer reach, but 18 is just fine.